Hi YouTubers, it's been a long time that I've done a real video actually, but that is going to change. But today the reason I'm doing this video is because since last few days I've been hearing a very weird rattle sound with the engine. I'm not sure if it's coming from the engine or where is it coming from. So I would have to look into it. I did some research. There could be many reasons for this, but let me show you what I'm talking about. Hopefully you'll be able to hear. So it starts okay. You don't see it as much as in reverse as opposed to going forward in lower RPM. So let me see. So if I go in this RPM, I already feel it. The rattle happens as I start to move forward from that lower RPM, and or if I'm coming to a stop, slowing down, coming to that lower RPM again. That's when you feel it the most. And actually it has that vibration with it as well. I'm coming to a stop here, so let me see if you hear. Yeah, that is exactly what's happening. So obviously if it indeed is an engine rattle, this is very dangerous. So I'll have to take it out to dealership to find out what exactly is happening. But if you have any idea, please let me know in the comment section. I will certainly update you guys on if I take it to the dealership on what the cause of this is. But in this speed, for example, I do not hear it. I do not feel it. However, in this speed, I do hear a sound from the back, that humming sound. One of the things I gotta tell you guys is that a couple of weeks ago, there was some work done, and again by the dealership. There was some work done. They changed the axle, the rear axle, and I think the sway bar as well. Yeah, they changed that. So after that, this is what has been happening with it. I haven't done any modification on the engine or anything like that, so it can be on the engine side. But like I said, please leave your comments if you have experienced the same exact thing, or you know, if you know what may have caused this. I'll certainly update you guys on the progress once I take it to the dealership. Thank you very much. Have a good day.